Hey there, it's Kay, and thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and I'll be opening up some Happy Mail that I received from Lupita Sticky Shop, and I will be showing you guys how I plan to store my sinking funds in the future. But before we get started, as always, I just want to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for joining me again. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. Leave a like, leave a comment, do all the YouTube things, and without further ado, let's get into it. So I got my package right here from Lupita's shop. I already cut it open like an absolute heathen because I'm terrible at opening mail, but I'm so excited for what I got. So let me set this aside. So I got some stickers from her shop, as well as some new cash envelopes for my sinking funds. So I'm going to start by opening up the stickers first. I got 2 sticker sheets in here. Again, did I just not say that I'm terrible at opening stuff? Like, how do I think there's a fold here? There's a fold here. Okay, and then it slides out this way. Cool. Oh, wait, there's more. Oh, I got a freebie. Ah! Oh, this is a very cute business card. I like the colors on here. I mean, me personally, I like darker colors to wear, but I am kind of a sucker for like pastel pink and gold combo. I think that's really cute. So it says, thank you for supporting LupitaStickyShop.net, which is her website. Has her Instagram and Twitter handles, her YouTube channel, and there's a 10% off code. And then I have another thank you card, which again has her website. So I think this is the freebie for purchasing stickers. And so we've got a couple to-dos, a couple little credit card decos, little cash decos. I mean, that could be used for anything, but I could use it for marking a payday in my personal planner. Then we have cash envelope script, a sinking fund script, some page flags, and some dots. And they're printed, I think, on a matte paper because they're not shiny, so it's matte. I don't know if the adhesive is removable or not, but I honestly don't have a preference. Once I lay a sticker down, I kind of consider it down. All right, and then I also got her no spend scripts. These are really good if you track your spending very religiously, which I haven't been doing, but I really want to go back to doing it, to track your no spend days, to kind of identify like your shopping habits. Like, do I spend more money on the weekend, or do I spend more money when I get paid on Thursday? You know, it's just good to track. And I also got some Christmas deco stickers. And I loved this snowman so much. That's the reason I bought this sheet, is because of the snowman. I just really like him. I don't know why. And the snowflakes are really cute too, because we're already getting snow here in New Hampshire, so that'll pretty much go in any spread from now until like April. So that's good. So these are the stickers, and they're all matte paper. Next is the item that I'm most excited about. These are new cash envelopes for my sinking funds, so hopefully I don't open this like an idiot like the first one. So yeah, there's a foldy flap here. And I don't know what kind of paper this is. It's got a little bit of a texture to it, which is really cool. So I'm gonna slide it out. And she included budget sheets with these. So I ordered 6 envelopes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 1 budget sheet per envelope. I'm not sure if I'll be using these because I obviously track them on my own sheets, but they'll be good to keep aside. So I got all of my regular sinking funds into these envelopes. So I have car maintenance, phone for my new phone, vet for, you know, my cat in case he gets sick again. This is a new one. It's home, and I currently don't have any plans to stuff this yet, but I obviously only had 5 categories that I was stuffing, and it was a 6 envelope bundle. So I was like, oh, what am I gonna put? And I was like, oh, it's good to have a home fund in case I need to replace furniture or something. So I have a new home fund. I have my personal fund for any clothing or beauty items that I wish to save up and purchase. And lastly, my medical fund, which is gonna come in really, really handy because I have to get a root canal. So those are my envelopes, and they are laminated and 6-hole punched for a 6-ring personal binder, and they are side opening in case you're interested. They're all side opening. So originally, if you're new to my channel, you didn't know, I've been storing my sinking funds in this accordion wallet that I got at the Dollar Tree for like the longest time now. And I just wanted something a little more pretty, you know, to help motivate me to save some cash. So I got this binder on clearance at Michael's. I think I paid like $6 for it. And it's a personal size 6-ring binder. And these envelopes should fit perfectly in there. Car maintenance, phone. I guess I don't have a particular order that I want to put these in right now. So we'll just lay them in. And since I didn't order a Christmas envelope, since the Christmas fund was going to be super temporary, I just kind of made my own little, I printed this off of the Budget Moms website, and I taped over it with some like masking tape, and I have a 6-hole punch, so I just kind of punched it on my own. So that's going to be Christmas. And they look so cute in here. So let's go ahead and move my money over. And we'll start with the Christmas fund since it's on top now. I haven't spent any money out of here, and I'm not at my goal yet either, so there's that. So now we have personal, which is this tab. I think I will be spending some of this money to purchase myself some new work pants. So we are going to stuff that. And these are really wide envelopes too, so I think that I'll have plenty of room to keep fitting more bills in here as the fund gets thicker, and hopefully I'll be able to go to the bank soon and be able to swap out for some larger bills. Home doesn't get anything because it's new. Medical. And my medical fund is going to get spent too when I get my root canal. But for now, it has a new home. Next is vet is in the back here. So there's vet, phone, you know, I'm thinking it might make it easier if I'm gonna stuff them, I might have to take them out because this binder is very stiff, so that doesn't help my awkwardness either. So car maintenance should be the last one, and it is, and it's obviously the thickest one. I really need to swap these bills out. But luckily these envelopes should still hold a lot. I think I'd be able to hold probably like $600 worth of 20s in here if I had to guess, before I had to swap it out. Yeah, so that one's a little thick. But it'll be fine. Because the binder is also pretty thick, so that means we just gotta swap out for bigger bills as soon as possible. Let's see if it closes. Oh yeah, it's totally fine. Look at how cute it is. I'm so excited. This looks so much more fun than this, and like this makes me want to just save more cash now, which is kind of the goal. I've already worked towards making saving a habit, and now saving, I really want it to be more like a hobby. So now it's just gonna be so much easier for me to really fall in love with saving money, I think, with this setup. So it's so beautiful. I'm so grateful to Lupita for fulfilling my order. It's great. Her content is great. If you haven't checked out her channel, definitely do. She's one of the budgeters that I was watching before I started my channel, and she really motivates me. And I just think she's a wonderful person who is doing a great job on her journey, and I wish her all the love and support going forward. So if you made it to the end of the video, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, leave a comment. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Peace out.